I'd rather be alone tonight. You can say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms. I'ma need space. I'ma need.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys a homemade buttercream for faster hair growth. So before I get started, I'll go ahead and cut the aloe vera. So this amazing buttercream can be used once a week after washing your hair. It can also be used to grow your edges, beard. It's also good for kids. So you can check on my previous videos. I use this buttercream for my kids' hair as well as on their scalp. If you're new to my channel or if you like this video, kindly give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. For this hair growth buttercream, I normally use 5 ingredients. 1 is the plant, the aloe vera plant leaf. Keep watching so that you don't miss the other 4 ingredients that I'll add to this buttercream. So after cutting my aloe vera, I'll go ahead and cut my rosemary leaf. You can also use the dry one because I'm using the fresh one. So in case you don't know some of the benefits of rosemary, it stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. So the third ingredient is olive oil. So I used 3 full spoons of olive oil. Olive oil is also great for moisturizing the scalp and it helps reduce dandruff. The 4th ingredient is 1 teaspoon of dry peppermint leaf. So after adding all the 4 ingredients, I will let it sit in boiling water for 20 minutes and I will stir occasionally so that the ingredients will infuse into the oil. So I realized that the bowl that I was using was too small, so I changed it. So in case you are doing this oil or in case you want to try this, use a bigger bowl. So after the 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. Now, I'll go ahead and add my 5th ingredient, shea butter. I'll add half of this to the oil.
I'll just use my covers to stay warm tonight. Think I'm better off here all alone tonight. Ain't no checking on when I get home tonight. Just making sure I'm good on my own tonight. Even though there isn't nothing wrong tonight. I'm just saying, baby, I can't really miss.
Now I'll go ahead and stir. The oil is still hot, so this is gonna help the shea butter to melt very fast. So guys, this is how the mixture looks like. I'll let this sit in the freezer for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. I'll go ahead and whip this with my hand mixer for 1 minute. If you like what you are watching, kindly give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So after whipping it for 1 minute, I went ahead and scraped the bowl and I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for another 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I went ahead again, did the second time to whip this for 2 minutes. This is the perfect way that I normally do it. So if you want to try this fast hair growth butter, Just follow the steps and you're gonna get a perfect consistency of this cream butter.
I'd rather be alone tonight. You can say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight. I'll just use my covers to stay warm tonight. Think I'm better off here all alone tonight. Ain't no checking on when I get home tonight. Just making sure I'm good on my own tonight. I'ma need space, I'ma need space, I'ma need space.